Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your Nissan Murano sun visor. First, we will identify the common problems that cause your visor to sag or detach. Then, we'll discuss the essential tools you'll need, like a small screwdriver and a trim removal tool, to get the job done efficiently. Understanding the basic components of your Murano sun visor assembly is crucial before starting any repair work. This guide will walk you through each step clearly. Now, let's diagnose the specific issue with your sun visor. Carefully inspect the visor's pivot point where it attaches to the roof. Look for any visible damage or cracks in the plastic. Next, check the mounting bracket for any looseness or strip screws that might be causing the problem. It's important to determine if the visor itself is broken or if it's simply disconnected from its mounting. This diagnosis will guide your repair approach. Depending on your diagnosis, you have a couple of options. For loose connections, simply tighten any screws on the mounting bracket with a Phillips head screwdriver. If there are minor cracks in the plastic, a small amount of strong epoxy can often provide a durable fix. However, if the damage is extensive, such as a completely broken pivot or a severely warped visor, replacing the entire sun visor assembly is usually the best solution for long-term reliability. After completing the repair or replacement, it's essential to test the sun visor thoroughly. Make sure it pivots smoothly, stays in position, and doesn't sag. Double-check that all trim pieces are securely reinstalled to maintain your vehicle's interior aesthetics. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Taking these final steps ensures your Nissan Murano sun visor is fully functional and ready for the road ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.